Hey, what's up, guys? My name is Jim, and you signed up under me for CTFO. Thank you so much for signing up under me. I'm going to make this as simple for you as possible. That's going to be my whole theme, but I'm going to be your trainer, and I'm going to assist you through everything that you need. Any question that you have, you come to me for it. My email address is jimthecbdguy@gmail.com. So I'm going to go ahead and show you. I'm using a DU recorder right now on my phone. I will sometimes be using OBS System Studio on my computer. I'm just having some issues with it right now. Um, but basically, so you have a website now, and what you're going to be doing is you're just going to be sharing it as much as possible. Just the more people that see that website are going to purchase from you. And if they purchase from you, you're going to get commissions. I think it's 20 to 30%. I'm not sure what it's exactly what it is when you first start. It might be 30 or it might be 20, but it's great commissions. I mean, all you're doing is you're just sharing your link over and over again as many times as possible to different communities where you feel like are gonna it's going to work for you. Please don't take my word for the commission thing. Go to myctfocbd.com. Do it on their website and go to commissions. Yeah, see, it doesn't have the ability to do it on the mobile one, but you go to commissions and you'll be able to track all your commissions. So basically, you're sharing your website link, and then you have a second link, and that's your sign up link. Now, you do not have to get people to recruit behind you. You can just share your website and just hope people buy your product. But the other thing is you can pull people in behind you. Now, you don't have to go to your family and friends and things like that at all. In the future, if you're comfortable enough with asking them or something like that, then that's great, because CTFO is definitely a great opportunity. But basically, what you want to do is you want to build a great Instagram account. You want to build a great YouTube account. You want to build a great Facebook account. And you want to attract as many people as possible, especially with Instagram. If you build a beautiful Instagram account and you mass spam to add people, in CBD communities, work from home communities, basically you just let people know, hey, if you want to work in the CBD oil business, just sign up under me, and then you'll be doing the same thing that I'm doing. But so there's two different links. So you have your commissions that you're going to get off of your link, and then you'll get your residuals from anybody who's signed up underneath of you. Now, there's a great big matrix and there's a great big video to show you about that. I don't have it all memorized right now, but I assure you it's great. It's exponential money flow going on. So grab a hold of the CBD market while you can. I mean, this stuff is booming right now, and all you really have to do, it's such a simple job, really. You know what I mean? And then there's each price has a commission value built into the price already. 100% of the commission volume goes to all the associates in CTFO. So you're going to get 100% of your commissions. I'm going to break down and give you guys better videos on more in depth on specific things. But I just wanted to give you a general overlay and a hello to CFO kind of a thing. But this is what your CTFO website looks like, and then they're basically just going to go to shop now, and they're going to go to shop as a customer. You never want to let them go to be an associate for free, okay? If you want to have somebody sign up, you give them your sign up link underneath of you. You don't give them anything else, okay? So you take care of those two links, you keep your two links, and basically you're going to want to promote them with, whatever ad you build. I don't recommend stealing somebody else's ad, but I mean, you can always use different images and things like that you find on Google Images, and then just kind of write up whatever you need to. Get yourself some knowledge on CTFO CBD. It's 100% organic. It's made from CO2 extracted from hemp grown right here in the United States. It's GMO free. It's pesticide free. It's heavy metal free. So I think it only has 3 different ingredients in it. So I mean, it's just really easy, simple stuff to remember. Good luck, guys. I am in touch. My email address is jimthecbdguy@gmail.com. I think we should get together on Facebook as well. That way I can send you these videos a lot quicker, and then maybe you could just video me and say, hey, Jim, look, hey, what am I doing, Jim? What am I doing wrong? And I will definitely guide you through it. If you're in kind of a crunch with, like, where do I even share my link at? I got you. Message me, okay? We're going to take care of this. Thank you so much for your time. You guys have a great day.